What's happening, everyone? So thank you for joining me. Now today we're going to delve into the unknown for me. This is the first time I'll be doing something that I've done like this, which is cutting a bonnet apart and fitting vents. Okay, so the theory is the same as anything, cut a hole, stick whatever, bolt it on, and it'll work. So hey ho, that's what we're going to do. So let me show you the bonnet. It's a 300ZX bonnet. I've got it off a breaker from my mechanic. It's silver, so it needs respraying, but it doesn't matter. That can be done in due course. So let's just have a quick look at it. Alright, so this is the bonnet. This is the underside of the bonnet. If we turn it over, got some surface scratches. Doesn't matter though. It's going to be repainted. Red. So the plan is that these obviously will be there, but the other way around. Like that. So it fits more or less perfectly if we cut down here, but then we have to cut a bit off here, like angle it, and then come back as well. We have to cut these strengtheners here and here, and then they'll come straight off. And then we'll do the same on the other side, and we'll see where we are from there. So today I'll be using my angle grinder to grind through the metal, and maybe a welder to keep its strength when I cut all the strength out. Might have to weld the bits together, which are showing. So now I've cut the hole, as you can see there. Weren't too hard because it's made out of aluminium. So, oh dear me. So this is the bit what's going to go in there. Turn it round. Took a couple of tries to get it fitting perfectly, but there you go. Fits there quite nicely. If I turn the bonnet over, obviously it's like that. Okay, it's hard to show you when the bonnet's jacked up like this, but yeah, that's what it'll look like. I need to put another one in the other side. I really like it. Looks good. I'm thinking about as well cutting these parts out in the middle and having a very dark perspex, so you can see through to the engine, but it'll be dark, so it'll go with the black and everything. So just thinking about that for now, but for now I'm just putting these in. So now, as you can see, I need to weld up all these little bits here so water doesn't get in and cause a bit of rotting. So I'll do that now and then carry on to the next bit. Right, so I can honestly say now, do not weld. All I've done in absence of welding is just siliconed around the edges so the metal doesn't rust all the way up and round, etc. Because the welding actually blew a hole through the bonnet itself, you can see there. So I'm going to have to fill this now, but it's not a problem, it is what it is. It's quite funny, but at this point I've smoothed off all the edges, as you can see there. So if we go to put this back in, it looks quite cool. Yeah, it'll look really good when that's done. To be honest, I might not have to fill it because you can't see it, so that's quite cool. So yeah, if I come a bit further back, sweet. So I'll do the other one and then show you exactly what it looks like out in the open and the whole bonnet. So I'll do it quite far away so you can see the whole bonnet. Alright, so you might have to use your imagination here, but that's what it'll look like. I really like that because, well, the carbon looking vents do go well with the arches. So yeah, quite proud of that. So this is part one of the video. Obviously I think I've got more to do. Stay tuned.